Hey, Coach Greg here with Svelte Training. Today we're doing a tight and toned arms workout. That is right, summertime is here, so let's get these flabbiness gone. Let's work on toning. And also, it doesn't make you only look good, it also helps protect your bones, improve your posture and everything. So if that sounds amazing to you, let's jump right into it. So we're gonna be doing 2 sets. First set is gonna be me more explaining and walking you through the exercises as you follow along, while the second set will be a more complete run through of everything, all that tightening and toning arm workouts all at once. So if you feel ready for that, you can skip ahead to that section. But if not, let's start with our first exercise. We're gonna start with arm circles. We're gonna do a couple variations of it, so feel free to use whichever one works for you. We're gonna stand shoulder, feet apart, feet shoulder width apart, arms out to your side, almost like you're forming a T. And the goal is you can either start small, medium, and then large. We're gonna do front and back. Again, the goal of this is we're really like working, articulating those joints, especially your shoulders, your triceps, your arms. We wanna be loose, we wanna feel good about it. We're gonna put 30 seconds on. I'll do 15 seconds forward, 15 seconds back. You know, let's just have fun with it. That's the whole point of this. We wanna tone those arms. All right, here we go, 30 seconds. Let's go. I like to start small, you know, baby steps. Here we go. I get a little bigger. Try not to be like too stiff. The goal is we just want to loosen up those joints. Then we go big. Then we go big. Okay, now that feels good. Now let's go backwards. Again, start small. You're kind of opening up your chest as well, shoulder blades. We're going a little bigger. We're going bigger. We're huge. There you go. A couple more seconds. Pull those arms around. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. All right, second exercise, we have tricep dips. If you have some sort of chair, a bench, a stool, a couch, whatever you have at your disposal, a hot tub, you know, stone thing, that works for me. It can work for you. You're just gonna want to, whatever you have, just sit on it first. You wanna put your hands, grasp the sides of it. And all we're gonna do is lift off. You can extend your legs straight, or you can keep your feet flat, just like almost like as you're sitting on a chair. The goal is we are going to be lowering our butt to the ground, and as we do that, we're bending our elbows. The goal is we're really trying to, you should feel a stretch in the back of your tricep right here as you go down. That's what we're working out, these things. There's tri, that means there's 3 muscles there. We really want to grow that. Helps you tone, helps you look, your muscles feel like more tight. Also burns all that fat off. So here we go, 30 seconds on. We're doing triceps. Go as slow or fast as you want. Here we go. I'll do both variations. Really focus on sitting back, proud chest. You don't want to dip too deep. There you go. I'll do, this one's a little easier. There it is. Nice. You're gonna feel a nice burn in the back of your arms. There it is. We're almost there. Come on, couple more. 3, 2, let's do one more. And great job. All right, now we're gonna get down on the ground for some push-ups. If you need a towel, yoga mat, whatever you need, go grab that now. We're doing some push-ups. We are going to start in hands and knees position. And the goal is, just like a normal push-up, you want to get into either a plank position, and all we're doing is pressing as we lower our body down the ground. We're letting our elbows, we don't want to flare too much to the side. You can either keep them close to your chest, or you can just more like a 45-degree angle, but the goal is to have a controlled descent. And again, this is going to be opening up our chest. It's going to be working our triceps, even a little bit of the biceps when you get down to the bottom. So here we go. We're just going slow, slow, press, and we're just pressing up. You want flat back, tighten that core. Let's put 30 seconds on. And here we go. Push-ups are a great, honestly, full body. Because like I said, you're working out your arms, but also when you tighten your core, doing your shoulders, your back, even your legs. If you can't do legs up, you can do assisted. Put your knees down. There you go. Again, work at your own pace. We got a couple more seconds. Come on. Fight through. 3, 2, 1, and you're done. All right, last exercise, we have plank to downward dog. I know that sounds tough, but I believe in you. We are gonna get through this together. You're gonna get down in a plank position, like so. Hands under shoulders. Really focus on tightening your core. You don't wanna like arch your back. You also don't wanna be too humped over. Try to get as flat as you can in a plank position. Think about pressing the ground away with your hands and also your toes. And what we're gonna do, again, this is a toning and tightening of our arms. We're going to, from a plank position, push into a downward dog. We're gonna try to see if we can get on the heels of our feet as we push our butt into the air like so. You probably do a way better downward dog than me. We're just getting in this position, and then we're going right back to a plank. You're gonna feel it all the way up your tricep, your bicep, and your shoulder as well. Again, if you can't do that, you can start on knees. You can start knees here. And then from this position, you can push up into a bent knees downward dog position like so. This one's way more forgiving on the body, but it works it just the same. So you do knees down, just like that. So let's just put 30 seconds on. We'll do both variations. Let's see what we can do. All right, 30 seconds. Here we go. Get yourself in a plank position. There it is. Let's do this variation. Almost like you're almost about to do like a cat-cow. Here we go, getting the balls of your feet. Push your shoulders back. Really extend. My arms are fatigued. Faux show. Let's do one more. Here we go. Hold it, get it. And release. Great job. Now that you know all the exercises we're doing for this arm workout, let's put it all together. You know, let's have some fun. We're getting into that second set. Grab some water. Grab something for your knees. This ground is unforgiving, but it's okay. I'm having fun with it. We are doing the second set starting now. All right, first exercise, we have arm circles. You know the drill. 30 seconds, hands out to the side, and we're off. So, like, you can move with it if you need to, if you want. Honestly, keeping your arms up, gravity does all the work. If you did this for a couple minutes, your arms would be so tired. There it is. Swing those arms. Yep. Go the other way. Really extend as if you're trying to reach. A couple more seconds. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. That felt good. We are now onto the second exercise, tricep dips. Grab your stool, grab your chair, grab a person, whatever you need to do. 30 seconds, get in position, and let's get it. There it is. Remember, tighten your core. You're doing amazing. You can do this variation. This works just as much. You really want to squeeze when you're at the top. There it is. Focus on those triceps, baby. Couple more seconds. Here we go. 3, 2, let's hold at the top, and done. Push-ups, it's time. Down on the ground, here we go. Feeling good, 30 seconds. Let's knock some out. We're almost done, keep going. I'm banging the mic off the ground, I'm sorry. 3, 2, and 1. All right, last exercise, plank to downward dog. We save the best, the hardest for last. Come on, we are almost done. Do you want tight and toned arms? This is where it's made, let's get it. All right, get yourself centered, ground yourself. Here we go. Remember, do whatever variation works for you. The goal really is just like that stretch. And the whole arm, we wanna feel it here. Here we go, 30 seconds. we're planking. Really lean over, throw your weight into your hands, and then we're shifting it back. Butt in the air, really press away, and we're coming back. There it is. Feel it in your arms. We're over here, and we're back. You can do knees down, right? Or you can hover your knees, and we're pressing. There it is. Really squeeze. Let's do one more. Come on. You got this. Press away. And you are done. All right, great job. Give yourself one of these. And one of these. You earned it. That was your tight and toning arms workout. I hope you liked it as much as I did. I think the results speak for themselves. I'm sure you are proud of what you got going on right now too. We are summer ready, baby. We're doing it. If you like videos like this, make sure you share with your friends. Click the notification bell to stay on top of any new workouts happening. Until next time, I'm Coach Greg. Have an amazing day. Peace.